This is reusable. But the company realized also single use like this, single use, reusable. This is in fact the, you know, the reality, because in 2025 I think that you know, standard in ureteroscopy is 7.5. So 7.5 is this one. Can you move the can you help me a little bit to move the, yes. Look, this is very easy. You saw how they change, and now we will change, you know. This is the trick. Very good. Very good. And now this is single use and this is reusable. There are two models, okay? And I hope now that it works also. This one, look, is the same. It's the same, look. Single use, like the other one, is completely the same. Look, the same performances, and is really, really impressive. Look, this is single use, the same company, and I think it's very, very, very nice and important to present this technology, reusable and single use. Thank you very, very much for your attention.